My Traditions Muzzleloader Assignment. My project started a couple of weeks ago as I unboxed, laid out, and inventoried my muzzleloader kit. My method of inventory was the Tradition schematic and Figure 2 from page 4 of the Muzzleloader Lab textbook. For this week's assignment, I had to inlet the lock, conduct a preliminary brass cleanup, and inlet the butt and toe plates. I started by applying some of the inletting glue to the lock and attempting to install it. Initially, it seemed to have a bit of a twisting issue. Once the lock was set and the screws and washers installed, I moved on to conduct the preliminary brass cleanup. I removed cast marks from the butt plate, the trigger guard, and took off all the sharp edges from the toe plate. Next, I inletted the butt plate using my palm chisels and gouges, and then I sanded the edges smooth and installed the butt plate. For the toe plate, I placed it where it was supposed to fit and drew a line to indicate how far I needed to take my back inlet to. For this inlet, I primarily used my palm chisels and an armor's hammer. Once the inletting was chiseled to length, I laid the toe plate on the stock and marked the angle so that I could file it to fit. I then screwed it to a 2x4 and filed the angle in. Then I installed it. All in all, this week, I got inletting glue all over the place, bled a little, as may be evident from the pictures on the butt plate area, and I learned a lot.